Hello. How many flips can I get? Oh. Sorry about that, Eddie. Welcome back to another Hot Lap episode 90, December 22nd. Week of Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Let's get in the Christmas cheer. Let's carry this around today. This is our one and only Christmas tree. One and only Christmas decoration here at the shop. So I'll be carrying this along with me. Come on. Oh, I just poked myself in the eye with it. That's the microphone. Alright, there we go. It is 22nd. We have about a week and 2 days until the giveaway for this month is over. So if you'd like a $1,000 voucher for Faction Motorsports, you can use it in-house or online. Be sure to place an order on our website. Every $5 is one entry into the giveaway. We got a lot of Nissan parts in this week. Let's see what we got. Oh, well, this is the origin part. S15 roof wing. Got a few of these in stock. Someone's coming to pick up one today. If you need one, if you got an S15, you're one of the lucky people to have S15. Come grab this. What else we got? What is this? This... couldn't tell you. What is this? This feels like a front cover for S14. Got those in stock. What else we got? What is the most interesting part you checked in this week? Oh, here we go. Sway bar bracket for S13. What else we got? Turn signal sockets for S13. Everybody needs these. Got an O2 sensor. Part number right there. Come on and buy. What else you got, Ken? Anything else interesting? Oh, another one. A spring. This is a pedal clutch pedal spring for S13.
Never seen that before.
There's a part number right there. If you guys need any of this stuff, head over to factionmotorsports.com. Let's go on outside. Cut the music. Cut the music. Frankie's been obsessed with Big X the Plug today. Any Big X the Plug fans? Every Big X the Plug song starts with, "Hey." Big X the Frank. It's the microphone. Big X the Frank. He's a fan. Talk to him.
Why is the microphone
Because it's Christmas cheer, dude. You're the one who bought it.
Make sure you point that at your mouth, Monk.
Yeah, it's pointed. It's pointed at it. I'm trying not to drop the batteries. Anyway, let's see what's going on in the shop.
Hey!
Here we have a G37, G35. How do you tell the difference between these things? I just look at it's D badge. This is definitely a G35. Yeah, I knew it. G35. Manual? Manual, wow. It's just getting a height adjustment and alignment. Got some Kansai wheels. Okay. Think ready to drift or something? What do we got going on over here? Doing a little brake bleed? Bleed out. Bleed it out.
Yeah.
Where is Jesus? Is that the guys? It's Jesus' birthday. Let's go say happy birthday to Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. Where is he? That's not him. Jesus! Happy birthday, kid. This is the microphone. Don't be alarmed.
What the freak? I was wondering why my man's carrying a tree.
How's your birthday going?
Just working. That's it.
Feels good to be 33?
Yeah. Except my back.
Spinal. It's his Skyline year. I said, yo, it's your Skyline year, R33.
Yup.
Yo, we getting lit tonight. No, we kind of got lit on Friday. You get lit?
I had, a few shots, but I was good.
Oh, we had a little faction Christmas party at Korean barbecue. I got drunk. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how, but I took some of that mystery juice he gave us at the end of the night. The waiter, he mixed a whole bunch of. He mixed soju with beer with milkus. I took 2 glasses.
I had 3.
I must have had way too many shots of.
I want to say I had like 5 shots.
I had more than 5. More than 5 soju shots, and I had a glass of beer.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Low key lit. Low key lit. What else we got going on? That's about it.
Hey.
I'm the biggest. I'm the fattest. Oh, Josh from Front Street said you should pull the motor on the 350 and redo the bay. Should go quick. He's commenting on that last video.
Fuck that.
By the way, up until December 29th, we're doing 20% off MSRP on all pre-ordered Origin stuff. So if you want to pre-order stuff, expect a 4 to 6 month ETA, but you're getting 20% off MSRP.
Seems like no one cares about it, so maybe we'll just...
Yeah. If you don't take advantage, we're going to turn that code off. Code is pre-order 26. Pop it on screen. Put the ad up too right here. Bing. Yup. Take advantage of that, guys. Help us fill this container. Help us fill 2 containers, because we're bringing over 7.
Wait, what?
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Ah ha 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 ha.
Hey! Motor's blown.
Yeah, what do you guys know? What is this, rev up?
Yep.
Motor's blown. Where's the new motor? Where'd they put it, by the way? Let's go see. So this...
First they brought the wrong motor.
Yeah, first they brought over a DE motor and basically threatened to kill Frankie for telling him he's wrong. But
Junkyard.
yeah, it was a junkyard. He's like, I've been doing this for 20 years. You don't know what the f you're talking about. Frankie's like, it's not a rev up though.
No, I couldn't even get a word in. I just said, put it back on the truck, take it back, go to another mechanic. Go to another mechanic.
Mechanic. He said, are you a mechanic or a technician? And Frankie said, I'm whatever you want me to be.
Anyway, yeah, Eddie should have filmed that. But anyway, so motor came back a week later.
Yep.
That's right.
Got the right motor
Now
now.
it's right.
Now you gotta throw this in that old 350Z over there.
And then watch this one blow up in 6 months.
Junkyard finds.
I feel bad because the customer's probably watching, but these rev up motors, they not the greatest.
Yeah.
I don't know why,
They
but
should have called it a blow up.
yeah. And it's not easy. It's not super easy to put a non-rev up in. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, at least the car will be up and running again. For the time being.
No, I mean I'm sure it'll work. I mean, it's like every junkyard motor, 60,000 miles.
Yeah, it's 60,000.
Every single one that comes out.
That's weird. Why are they all 60,000 miles?
Oh no.
Right. Right.
Yeah, you think you want to change that up a little bit?
Probably a number in front of that 60.
No.
Probably 160,000 miles.
This motor probably is actually. It probably does have an accurate mileage, but I don't know what it is.
And you'll never know.
No.
All you VQ or 350Z people out there, what's your favorite VQ 35? DE, HR, or rev up?
It's pretty much the D or the HR, right, Chris? No one really.
There's gonna be a rev up fan of the. Yo, I swear the rev up is. Yo, mine never blew up.
Yeah.
If you turn that on, and just smoke the whole shop out.
Yeah. No bueno. No. We do not want to see. No. What was I gonna talk about? Oh, look what we got here. SC300.
Yep.
2JZGE.
Another Toyota with a broken ECU.
Yeah, what's good with those little ECUs in Toyotas?
I don't know.
Yeah, my capacitor.
So now it's getting a standalone. Not by our choice, but That's what the customer wanted.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
ECUs. You got somebody was giving you tips on that last 350Z video you did here. Why don't you read some? Right here, Whiskers 96.
06 plus.
Hold the mic.
Okay.
There you go.
06 plus interior trim has paint. It will scratch no matter what. Just paint them like everyone else. No. The aluminum trim will always bubble over time. Can't stop it. Paint them. ... Is it the same guy, or are you just putting dots on every single one?
Same guy.
Oh, okay. So he just commented like.
He's giving it's a list. He made a list for you. 1 through 7.
Oh, okay. Just buy rear overlays. It's a drift car. Wait, what is he talking about on that one?
I don't know.
Rear overlays.
Oh, because of the way it's like misaligned.
Maybe saying rear over fenders.
I don't know. But no, either way. Previous owner did such bad work. Rear overlay? Oh, is he saying over fenders?
Maybe.
Oh, that. No, it's not that bad. Hatch. The black lower mounting plates on the struts are upside down. Flip them over. Fix the gap.
Yeah, there was a bunch of things saying
That
Okay.
could be true.
What is that on?
the gap from the hatch to the car. He said there was a big gap.
The strut.
Struts. Yeah,
Or
they're saying the struts upside
brackets
down.
are
Oh,
upside down.
like on the actual trunk itself?
Yeah.
Okay. We could go look right now,
Yeah,
right?
let's go check it out.
All right. Black lower mounting plates on the struts. Oh, I think he's talking about the
Now you open it.
these.
These. They're upside down.
They're upside down? What?
So maybe switch sides. You gotta flip them.
That's not going to help me with the gap I was talking
They
about.
look symmetrical.
I don't think that's the problem. Maybe he thought I was talking about a different gap. It's probably because the trunk was open. Maybe he thought I was talking about this gap. But no, it was a gap up here. It doesn't match right to left. It's not really a big deal, obviously. None of
Yeah,
this shit.
this is the gap we're talking about.
But the trunk's open right now, so.
Yeah, it's open, but it still looks a little off when you close it.
There's no cabin air filter. Okay, that's good to know. He wants to wire wheel that area and prime it. We probably should do that.
1, 2.
Windshield was probably replaced, and they didn't put the A-pillars on perfectly. A-pillars can be a pain to adjust. What the hell are we talking about? I don't know, dude. All right, well.
Are not on properly.
A-pillars?
You're talking about this A-pillar?
Don't touch that thing. If you breathe on that and it breaks, it's going to be $1 million. I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what that part is about. Windshield was probably replaced, and they put the A-pillars on perfectly.
Maybe the inside? Did you make a comment about the inside?
Dude, I don't know. It was a month ago. I don't remember what the I said.
Last week.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they fucked something up. But the car's in pretty good shape other than that. So you're trying to tell me this foam's not supposed to be in there?
That's not supposed to be there. Where did it come from?
It's probably going back in there, though, honestly, because it's not a bad idea.
Yeah, keep a little dust and
So-
debris out.
Wow, this is depressing. Let's get out of here.
Well, let's change that around.
Oh. But yeah.
Today might be a good day.
Not the way my stomach's feeling right now.
Oh, he's you feeling
Oh, but that's weird because someone else said that too. Check the orientation of the hatch strut mounts. The gap on the hatch 90% of the time, 95% of the time is because those mounts are on backwards. Interesting. I mean, we'll look into it, but I don't...
What about the upper ones? Is there ones on top?
I guess. The black rag or whatever stuffed over the cabin filter is not factory. Josh. Is that it?
Oh!
What is this?
This is still about the 350Z.
Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to read these out loud, right?
Yeah.
That'd be an idea.
You want me to do it?
Well, one says... yeah. I mean, this is pretty accurate. All these questions are accurate.
Which one?
I mean, all the comments are accurate. These are just comments, really.
Yeah, T. Santiago says, it seems this level of OCD is quite common. You're not alone, Frankie. Buy a car, then you learn it needs a ton of little things, then big things. All of a sudden, things spiral.
You put the spiral emoji.
Yeah, and it sits because you realize this is a mild restoration project.
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate the comment, but we are going to try our hardest not to let that happen.
Yeah, do not enable this man. Jason Sargent 6 says, if the cowl is missing the rubber seal to the windshield, the foam may have been to stop water from dumping in and straight on the ECU.
It's not missing, but it was in pretty bad shape.
My cowl was missing the rubber, and I took it through a car wash. Not sure, just a thought. Or since 350Zs don't have cabin filters, that's what was used to make one. Maybe. Why don't they have cabin filters?
I guess not.
That's weird.
Yeah, like 3 people said they don't.
Mr. Kent says, so what did we get done today? We took apart and found more problems. Typical car guy stuff. Mm-hmm. That's how it goes. That is how it goes.
Yeah, I got to give you a video to put up because my friend Nick sent me a video. He's like, oh, I'm working on my G. Here's my problem. We'll put the video up right now so you guys can see it.
So my G35 has this weird issue where the car's off and my rear defroster stays on. But when I turn the car on, right? And I turn the rear defroster on. I probably should have tried removing the battery tray when I first bought this car. That is a bolt.
So he took his battery tray out and he was like, I probably should have took these out when I got the car, and the bolts are just like completely gone. They're all rusted. Wow. Same thing. So they just rot. I don't know. It's weird.
Well, that's car guy stuff. Good thing I'm not a car guy. So, last Hot Lab, we didn't know what was in this box, but we opened it. It is a... What was it? Car Modifying Wonder Zenki carbon hood, black carbon. So come and get it. How much is it? A good price, that's what it is.
Duh.
Give us a call. We got it here for you. We can ship it. You can pick it up. It's the holiday season. Give your boy with the Zenki some love.
The biggest,
and
largest.
As you can see, our Origin collection has dwindled down, so that's why we want to re-up, get those pre-orders in. Use code PREORDER26 up until December 29th for 20% off MSRP. They will be on the next container for you, ETA 4 to 6 months.
We still got fenders if y'all need fenders.
We still got a lot of stuff, but we need more for the people.
Keep it coming.
We keep Origin for the people. We stay here. We don't go nowhere. We're going to be here forever. I shouldn't have said that.
I fucking hope so.
Unless we find a bigger spot or a smaller spot.
How's the outro? Shove it up your ass.
Is that Z shit? What? Shove it up my ass? Do the honors?
Here we go. Merry Christmas.
You gotta do it again.
Oh no.
The framing.
Jeez, I hope no one's in there, bro. Merry Christmas.